Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the LG 32SR70U-W 32-inch 4K UHD Smart Monitor, a display that blends productivity and entertainment into one clean setup. This 32-inch screen delivers 3840x 2160 resolution, giving you sharp text, detailed images, and vibrant color. With up to 95% DCI, P3 coverage, and an IPS panel, visuals look accurate and consistent, whether you're editing photos, working on documents, or streaming your favorite content. What makes this monitor different is the built-in WebOS platform. You can access popular streaming apps directly from the monitor without needing a separate streaming device. It essentially doubles as a smart TV, making it perfect for both work hours and downtime. Connectivity is flexible as well. USB-C allows for simple one-cable connection to compatible laptops, while HDMI and USB-A ports support additional devices. AirPlay 2 support makes screen sharing from Apple devices quick and seamless. The slim, modern white design gives it a clean, professional look on any desk. The remote is optional, but functionality is still smooth without it. Overall, this is a versatile 4K monitor that balances productivity and entertainment in one sleek package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.